Hey folks, welcome to another day and another unboxing. This is the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. Yes, you know it. Everybody's getting into the True Wireless earbuds game right now, whether they cost $50 or several hundreds of dollars. And you wouldn't expect anything else from Razer now, would you? Razer is known for its gaming accessories, and even though these are not specifically for gaming, they could be used for that because they have supposedly the lowest latency of any true wireless earbuds. That's the big claim to fame here. So you can see here the information: ultra low latency, water resistance, custom tuned drivers. They look pretty cool with the Razer logo. I don't know if they light up. It'll be interesting to find that out. There's some information here. More details here in the back. So I'll let that sink in for a second so you can look at it. And yeah, that's it. So let's open these up, shall we? I think I have to shake this up a bit. These are wedged in here pretty good. So boom, here we go. Ta-da! So here's some documentation. So that's that. We've got a little letter. Very nice. We don't really care. And then, of course, there's a little plastic thing around that for the documentation. Hammerhead True Wireless. Ooh, so official. Nice color scheme here. LED information. And, of course, all the other stuff we don't care about. And then here we go. We've got the actual charging case, which is pretty small. It's just very long. But yeah, not bad at all. Here we go. There's a little green LED on them. Looks like there's room to put a lanyard here. Not too much there. USB Type-C, that's good news. Some certification stuff in the back. Razer logo, and this is what they look like inside. As you can see, the earbuds are designed to fit in there really nicely and snugly. All right. Now we've got cable in here. In typical Razer fashion, I expect this to be... There's the lanyard. Ha! I expect this to be pretty fancy. You've got some replacement silicone ear tips here, of course. I don't know if you can see those. And then we've got the cable, which is, ooh, has little condoms on each end. USB Type-C on one side, USB Type-A, also with a condom. Ooh, and that green Razer color on the other side. Nice. This is a braided cable. It's fabric, which is really nice. And just in case you're wondering, oh, these have got to be expensive because, you know, they're a Razer and they're fancy. Well, they're $99 on Amazon right now, so not too bad. So let me get them out of here really quickly. There we are. There are the earbuds. So let's take a look, shall we? Let me remove this box. This is them, and if you see, they look very much like AirPods, but black. They have the same kind of shape of driver, and then you can see the stem is a little shorter maybe. And then of course they have a bit of a more of a protruding element with the Razer logo in them there. Let's put them in the case and see what happens when I try to charge them. So let's see, this looks like it goes here, and this looks like it goes here, like that. So that's what they look like when they're charging, folks. Nice, right? So yeah, I mean, that's basically it. You've got the whole thing right here, folks. These are the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds. I will put them through their paces and let you know what I think. You know, the low latency thing is interesting, and hopefully it lives up to its claim. But ultimately, what I want to say is that, you know, everyone's getting into this because this is really the future, whether we like it or not. I like my headphone jack. I'm a bit of an audiophile. I like my analog connectivity on my phone, but that's going away. And if you want to listen to wireless audio these days, true wireless earbuds are the way to go. For $99, I expect Razers to be pretty awesome sounding, so I'll let you know. These don't have active noise canceling or anything like that, but they should be pretty decent. So I'll let you know on the podcast. And of course, like, subscribe, tell your friends, comment in the comments below, click the little notification bell. And of course, you know this is about the podcast. So if you want to hear what I think, you should listen to the podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com. We're on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, and Spotify. So check it out, mobiletechpodcast.com. Listen, subscribe, tell your friends, and stay tuned for more videos soon. Cheers, everybody.